Hello guys, welcome to 13th day of Christmas DIYs. We're making Christmas ornament from the buttons and you will need only the buttons. I have these blue ones. You can use, of course, any kind of buttons. And you will need quite a lot of them. We will see how much we will need to make a circle. You will need the satin bow, a thin one. For this project, don't use paper glue because it's not going to glue buttons well. You need to use like some kind of super glue. We will be using Loctite Super Bond gel glue. Gel is good because it doesn't spill over. It's not too watery. So we'll be using that one. And you will need scissors. And I will be using just a normal white paper to put below so we don't glue the background. To start this, you will put your buttons in a circle shape. The buttons have front and back side, so you choose which one you like more. Put them in a circle shape the best you can. You can choose how big your ornament will be, so it can be like huge, you know. You can make a big circle or smaller one. It's up to you, but I want to make two of them. I like things in pairs. You will glue them one to another and you will make a circle like that. So this will be even smaller when you glue them to each other like this. So take care of that. It's not going to be big as on the paper because they're like flat laying right now. You need to glue them together. So let's start gluing. So you do like one goes from the back side, one will go from the front side, and you just combine it like that. I will show you when we start. You put a little bit of this glue because this is super glue, guys. Like this. So this one comes from the bottom side, this one, okay? You do it on a paper because the glue needs some time to bond and this will take some time. Then we will glue the third one on the upper side of the second one. So you combine it a little bit. Combine it a little bit to look better. I saw this idea on Pinterest. I will link down below my DIY ID board on my Pinterest and all my other social networks. And now you combine it. So one up, one down, and you just go in a circle and do it. I will speed up the video, guys. You need to leave this dry like completely before you make the bow. You see they're very wiggly, still very wiggly. So this will really take some time. Just leave it and do something else. When it finally dries, it looks like this. It's very sturdy. So don't worry about being it bad at the beginning. I know it looks very floppy, but look at this. It's super sturdy when it dries. This super glue is really good. I always use this glue. I love it. What we need to do is tie a bow. You can just use this to hang the ornament. We will use it to make a bow and hang the ornament. You can just hang your ornament like this. It's super cute. I love it. You can choose any colors you want. It will be nice green, golden, red, all the like Christmas colors. This is the end product, guys. I ended up making this second one with the large satin bow. I didn't like the look of the small ones, you know. This is how it looks like with the big bow. I think it's maybe even nicer than with the small one. And I did the same thing, just tie the knot and just glue these parts with fire. So yeah, this is how it looks at the end. You just put it on your Christmas tree. They look cheekier. So thank you so much for watching this DIY. I hope you like them.